Hey everyone, it's BoogeyMan Ben. Hope everyone's doing well. My wife and I, she's right there, we decided to take a drive today to Bodega Bay, and this is the schoolhouse from the 1963 Alfred Hitchcock film, The Birds. As you can see, they've repainted it so it looks really cool. Try to get some shots of it close. This used to be a museum about 10 years ago. I don't think it is anymore. There's the schoolhouse. There's where the children's roundelay, where they sing that song, now, now, now. That's where that used to be, where Tippi Hedren was sitting when the birds started collecting on the jungle gym. I'll post some pictures that we took too. There's the church in the background. And there's the road that the kids ran down when the birds were chasing them. Some other people out here. There's the road. And this building was in the original film, but now it's like a little antique store. I forget what it was in the film. I think it was like a feed store or something. That's still there. It's an antique store. It's kind of cool. Go over here. Now the school teacher's house was over here, and it was a facade. There's a real house there now, but it's not the same place. There's another shot. Turn that a little bit. This is just awesome. Just wanted to share this with everyone. Hope everyone enjoys this, and I'll talk to you guys later.